we just pulled up to the muffler shop where they'll be installing and fabricating the custom exhaust that's going to be going on our V10 M5. Right off the bat, it has a nice muscle car here, Camaro SS, as you can see right there. Got the Alpine white V10 M5 that we own. So as you can see, this car is mostly stock, a few tasteful mods. But as far as the exhaust, this car already has a muffler delete and everything else is stock. Yeah. We go to real jewelry right here, the mufflers with the valve system. So we got a couple of remotes that are gonna close and open the valves on demand. Over here we got the beautiful exhaust tips. So, oh man.
Custom logo. Valve Master.
Yo, huge shout out to Valve Master.
Better on both.
Both sides. That custom engraving looks so good. How you feel, man? You excited?
Oh yeah. Yep.
These are the converters, I believe.
Secondary?
Yeah, the secondary. Yeah, okay. So we're not touching those.
No.
Right. Okay.
Just these.
So we're going to get rid of the resonator.
Yep.
Run two pipes. Put the mufflers here and put tips in. Alright.
Basically. Yeah, half the exhaust is already off the car.
How you want it, like that?
Yeah, probably right there. Not too far, not too far out. Yeah, that's probably good.
Just like that, we have one of the muffler and resonator delete pipes fully installed. Last thing to do is do the exact same thing on the other side. And this car's done.
Liking the tips, popping out a little more.
Oh yeah.
You know, mufflers are shiny. See how it turns out.
Yeah, I know you're getting excited now, bro.
Definitely, it's here.
The V10 sounds good stock, but just not doing the car justice. So this is gonna give the car a whole new vibe for sure. Yo, it sounds like a Formula One car, bro. This is crazy. Oh yeah. Yo, this is the best sounding sedan ever, bro. Huge shout out to Valve Master, man. The tips look incredible. Man, that sounds awesome. Sound like a Lambo. Congratulations.
Thanks, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate it.
Man, deal sealed. This might be my favorite angle now.
Yeah,
Man, I think now it's time to cool on out, get some flybys. Let you guys hear the car. So you guys join us in the M5 now. Oh man! Couple revs. That is nutty, bro.
Yo, that sounded mad.
Said vroom, pow, pow. I said what?
Perfect timing too.
Huge shout out to Valve Master once again. Also huge shout out to Mr. Muffler. If you guys need any kind of exhaust work done, make sure you check out Mr. Muffler in Ypsilanti, Michigan. They're definitely gonna take care of you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.